Welcome to my blog on the trees, number 4 on Magnolia champaka, that is Champa. Magnolia champaka or Champa or Sonchafa in Marathi is famous for having a very fragrant flowers. The tree, which grows up to 50 feet, is distributed in sub-Himalayan tracts, Assam, Western Ghats, South India, Burma, Yunnan, Indochina, Siam and Malaya. Being having very fragrant flowers, this tree is generally planted near the temples. In Theravada Buddhism, Champaka is said to have been used as the tree for achieving enlightenment by Bodhi or the 14th Buddha, called Attadasi. According to Tibetan belief, the Buddha of next era will find enlightenment under the white flower canopy of Champaka tree. In South Asia, especially in India, the flowers are used primarily for worship ceremonies, whether at home or in temples. Also worn in the hair by girls and women. Also the perfumes are extracted. Flowers are floated in the bowls of water to scent the room as a fragrant and colorful decoration for garlands and bridal baits. There is a story of Magnolia Champaka saving someone's business. In 1930s, in the Great Depression, when the stock market crashed, there is a person called Champa who manufactured a perfume called Joy, which was fragrance of Magnolia Champaka. Joy remained the costliest perfume until the house of Patu introduced 1000 other perfume in 1972. Magnolia Champaka is cultivated by specialty plant nurseries as an ornamental plant. It is grown in the hedges for its fragrant flowers, and it is planted in the ground in the tropical and subtropical climates such as coastal southern and central California. Champa tree has been traditionally used to treat diarrhea, cough, bronchitis, hypertension, fever, rheumatism, abscesses and inflammation. It is also used as a purgative, expectorant, cardiotonic, digestive, stomachic, stimulant, diuretic, diphoretic, antipyretic and astringent. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it.